Intraday trading is the practice of buying and selling securities within the same trading day. It can be a profitable way to make money, but it also carries a high level of risk and requires a lot of discipline and knowledge of the financial markets. Here are a few tips that could help you make money with intraday trading. Develop a strategy. It is important to have a well-defined strategy in place that outlines your entry and exit points, as well as your risk management plan. Keep an eye on the market, stay informed about the latest market news and events that could impact the prices of the securities you're trading. Use technical analysis. Intraday traders often rely on technical analysis to make trading decisions. This involves using charts and technical indicators to identify potential buy and sell signals. Control your emotions. Intraday trading can be an emotional roller coaster, but it's important to remain calm and level-headed, especially in volatile markets. Keep your position sizes small. Intraday trading is a high-risk, high-reward game, so it's important to keep your position sizes small to limit your potential losses. Take breaks. It's important to take breaks and step away from the markets from time to time to avoid making impulsive decisions. It's also important to note that intraday trading is not suitable for everyone and may not be the best way for you to invest your money. It's always a good idea to seek professional advice and to educate yourself about the financial markets and the risks involved before making any investment decisions.